Hello there, welcome back to your YouTube channel, English Anneries. Je dis à moi vraiment content pour que moi al partager avec vous une très belle vidéo sous différentes façons qu'on capable dire happy. Ça nous est content, OK? Je connais grand pile dans nous qui toujours senti nous déranger, l'on moun paraît tout gens monotone. Les moun nan toujours répéter même bagarre, OK? The person keep repeating the same thing over and over again. And you say, now this man is boring or that person is monotonous. OK? Moun sa li monotone. Mais je dis à moi pour apprendre nous différentes façons que vous capable dire mot ça qui c'est content. In English, you say happy. Façon que vous capable dire sans que vous pas même obligé répéter happy. Sans que nous pas perdre du temps en aller dans la vidéo, guys. Premier mot, m'a pour me partager avec nous, c'est mot ça qui c'est excited. Okay? We say excited.
Excited?
Excited is when you're extremely happy. Okay? Un peu de monde qu'on dit ou content ou pas ouais ça. Mais le monde dit excité ou pas capable ça. Visage li a montre que li content. Par exemple, on va assister à un match équipe football et puis un goal qui fait, c'est tout normal, on va chauffer just because you are excited. When you're excited, you will show that, maybe your face will tell that you're excited. OK? C'est ça que veut dire une extrême joie ou excité ou tellement content. You say you are excited just because your team won the competition or the championship. Équipe a gagné compétition, yes, OK? I won. You are now excited. I hope you can say it, guys. Say excited. The second word that we have here is thrilled. Okay, we say thrilled.
Thrilled.
I know it's a little bit challenging to pronounce this. Les gens difficile pour un peu le monde. Just because we have the TH here, say and R. Okay, les yo vient combiner ensemble, les sont difficile pour un peu le monde. Mais avec le temps, guys, you will know exactly how to say it. We say thrilled. Okay, you say thrilled is another word, as I said it, to say that you are happy, extreme joy. When you're thrilled, you are overjoyed. Like you can't control yourself just because you are extremely happy. You are thrilled. For example, you have your first baby, you're thrilled for that. Okay? Or you're graduated from college, you are thrilled. Ou à peine qu'on ti moun, c'est tout normal, ou tellement content, premier petit tout, t'es toujours souhaité ça, you are thrilled now. C'est moi-même qui content parce que m'a poté vidéo pour nous. I am thrilled just because I bring you that beautiful video. Now, let's move on, guys. The next one is over the moon. Say
Over the moon.
over the moon. Over the moon. If you feel like you are over the moon, what happened? Est-ce qu'en réalité, vous sentez sous la lune, vrai? Non. Ou pas sous la lune en réalité, mais c'est comme ça qu'on sentit ou tellement ou content, you feel like you are over the moon. You're over the moon. Okay? Over the moon, c'est en extrême joie. Okay? You are extremely happy for that. The next word that we have here for you is the word delighted. Okay? Let's repeat it with me, guys. You say delighted.
Delighted.
Delighted, as you already know, we say you are very happy, okay? Very happy. Like if you, for example, have a baby, you know for sure you will be delighted ou extrêmement content parce que c'est un bagage ou t'attend avec impatience, mais finalement you are delighted for that. And the next word or the next expression related to happy is on cloud nine. We say
I am on cloud nine.
on cloud nine. Qu'est-ce que cloud nine exactement? Cloud c'est ça by the nuage. Mais c'est pas dans nuage en réalité, but you just feel like you are on the cloud nine. Okay? Ou tellement sens ou content. For example, you are the first in your class, ou premier dans classe ou, you are on cloud nine. Now, let's move on to the next part. We have on the top of the world. Top of the world.
On top of the world.
If you feel like you're on the top, qu'est-ce que ça veut dire when you say you're on the top? Ça veut dire au sommet. If you're on the top of the world, that means you are successful. Everything you do is perfect. And you feel like you're on the top of the world. Tout ça qu'on va faire réussir là-dedans, c'est tout normal. Ou toujours gen pile qui est content, ou toujours sentir ou c'est roi monde là, and then now you say you are on the top of the world. Now, the next one is the word overjoyed.
Overjoyed.
When you are overjoyed, that means that joy is excessive. Like when I say is excessive, contentement ça tellement pile, li tellement trop, ou ça tu vas déborder de joie, you say you are overjoyed. And I think this is one of the most popular one. Okay, ça extrêmement populaire, en bas en pile dans nous la connaît déjà. We say overjoyed, like I am overjoyed to be your teacher. Okay, I am overjoyed to be your teacher. The next is elated. Now, let's repeat it, guys. We say elated.
I'm elated.
Elated, okay? You're watching this video and you're elated just because you know every single word in that video. You are elated, and I really appreciate that, guys. The next one is the word glad. I think this is the most popular one, okay? Say glad.
Glad.
Okay? Glad to be here. You're glad to be your student. You are glad to be a teacher. You are glad to be your father. Okay? You are glad because you have a smartphone. Ou tellement content. I don't know pour qui sont contents comme ça, but I know you are glad. Pour n'importe raison, you are glad, guys. Okay? And the next one and the last, we have the word pleased.
Pleased.
Okay? The adjective pleased. We use this to say that you're happy. Okay? This one also is popular. I think most of you already know it, okay? Pleased. I am pleased to be here in front of you. I'm pleased to be Haitian. Okay? And I know you are pleased to watch our videos. Avant nous aller, bon me rappeler nous 10 façons que nous saute apprendre pour nous dire content en anglais. Première façon que moi te montré nous, on dit non excited. Okay? Excited. Mais j'espère que nous avons répété après là. Deuxième nom, we say thrilled, thrilled, okay? And the third one is over the moon. You say over the moon, not over, I say over the moon. And the number 4, you say delighted, delighted. Don't forget to repeat, guys. You say delighted. The number 5, we say on cloud 9, on cloud 9. The next is on the top of the world. On the top of the world. If you are on the top of the world, you are how? Happy. And I know you know that. Okay? You are on the top of the world. We have the word overjoyed, overjoyed, and we have elated, elated. Repeat it. Elated. The next we have glad, glad. You are glad. We are glad. They are glad. And the last one, nous t'apprends aujourd'hui, pleased. We are pleased. Eh bien, nous arrivons à faire vidéo. Moi, j'étais vraiment content. I was excited to bring you that video today. J'étais vraiment content pour me porter vidéo ça pour nous aujourd'hui. Pas oublier pour nous like vidéo. Partagez-la avec une famille, un ami, un collègue de travail afin que vous capable encourager le travail ça. Pas oublier, non pas moi c'est Lugens et je souhaite vous nous dans l'autre vidéo.